Hi, we usually hear a lot of things about turmeric curcumin. Let us try to review the various benefits and useful aspects of turmeric-based supplements. Turmeric, made from the roots of the curcuma longa plant, is an ancient Indian spice that is becoming a popular herbal supplement due to its antioxidant benefits. The curcumin in turmeric provides powerful antioxidant activity that helps neutralize free radicals and is responsible for its vibrant yellow color. The turmeric curcumin capsules are specially formulated with Bioperine, which is simply a black pepper extract that allows the body to absorb the curcumin, turmeric's active ingredient, with all of the anti-inflammatory and antioxidant benefits. The feedback given out by one user of turmeric curcumin capsules is that severe symmetrical inflammatory arthritis that affects almost all my joints and have bad muscle pain in legs and arms. It was making me suicidal from the limits the pain put on my life. I take 1000 milligrams morning and 1000 in evening. Had to quit injections after tree fell on me and broke 40 bones. Bones do not properly heal with steroids. Took about a month to help, but works much better than ibuprofen, which I have completely quit. I do not need to resume most of my steroid injections and methotrexate. Started this after reading webs and reviews. My doctor was not aware of turmeric curcumin complex. He was getting ready to start me on Lyrica, which pharmacist says is scary and to stay away from. I'm one satisfied guy. A second user of turmeric curcumin capsules says that I have low back and neck pain. I am a pain specialist and recommend this for patients with kidney disease who can't take Motrin or other NSAIDs. Recommend 2000 milligrams per day. I have no side effects. Another 57-year-old person said that I had been taking 1800 milligrams a day, 600 milligrams each capsule, for 5 months. Not only have I seen a significant difference in my pain levels, but also with my antibodies levels. It takes time to see if it will work. Another person: I had so much pain in both my thumbs I could barely move them. Within 2 days I had at least 70% improvement. I'm just waiting to see if it lasts. After years of pain I am feeling much better. Another user of turmeric curcumin capsules put up its feedback as: since taking turmeric, my arthritis pain has significantly decreased on only 1.5 weeks. I have osteoarthritis in my lower back as well, and that has vastly improved as well. I was diagnosed with osteoarthritis. After just a few days of 1 capsule a day my symptoms were 99% gone. It was prescribed to me by my MD. Another user of turmeric curcumin capsules says: I have always been feeling of pain in my both knees at any time I use stairs up or down. I tried turmeric when I heard it from the radio and after I viewed in the internet its benefits. I actually used the root, boiled it with water and made a drink out of it. Amazingly, in only 2 days of drinking, approximately 4 cups in total, both pains in my knees are gone. I just started drinking it on March 9, 2017 and will continue drinking it every day. Another user of turmeric curcumin capsules narrates that I couldn't close my hands due to arthritis, now I can. I use 1 teaspoon in soup each day. I stopped using it for 4 days, 2x I ran out, and the pain and swelling returned on the 4th day but quickly dispersed once I began again. I take it loose and it's a lifesaver: more energy, better sleep, brain fog cleared, and walking, jogging easier. Session day on turmeric capsules 500 milligrams twice a day. Started it for extremely painful bursitis of sitting bones and greater trochanter, big hip bone. Pain is much lessened so quickly I am amazed. I can sit for more than 10 minutes without shifting my butt around. What a relief. Based upon the positive feedbacks and preliminary research about turmeric curcumin capsules, it is conclusively said that these natural capsules are made from turmeric curcumin, which is an ancient spice used for hundreds of years by healers and naturopathic practitioners all over the world. Turmeric has a variety of benefits, such as boosts healthy digestion, fights free radicals for anti-aging, increases neurological connections, reduces anxiety and depression, relieves joint and back pain, reduces inflammation and skin dryness, boosts cognitive function and memory, promotes cardiovascular health, regulates blood pressure, enhances immunity, support healthy eyes, skin and hair, boost your energy and mood. Thank you so much. Hi,